Hey guys, it's your girl, Jessleaveittome, on the channel where you can just leave it to me. And today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this top knot fringe bang look. I use absolutely no glue. This look is super easy to do and even easier to take down, which is my absolute favorite. So I wanted to come here and share it with you. So without further ado, let's begin the video. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna comb my hair out to the top. I had it in a little braided bun throughout the week, so I'm just gonna comb that out. This style looks best with like your hair fully straightened. So I would probably recommend blow drying it, but I'm going to make it work because I actually got some hair that matches my hair texture perfectly in this condition. So now you wanna put a bun at the tippity top of your head, just like this. So for this look, I'm going to add this Forever New hair. It's in the color FS427. So you guys can see I have a little bit of highlights in my hair that are kind of fading out right now, and I want to keep that inside of my bun, so I got this color and it matches perfectly. And this is their KINKY PERM 14-inch hair, so the texture also is perfect for my hair. I'm going to just cut a piece of this track. I'm going to take this first part right here, put it under my bun, and just wrap it around. And once I've wrapped it around, I'm gonna take this pin and pin it where my track ends. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I'm just going to flip this up and then wrap it around in the same direction as the bun that I already have. Okay, so now my bun is done and I think it is absolutely perfect. Don't worry if your bun is not the neatest. Remember, this is a top knot style, so the less neat it is, the better it looks. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and just slick down my edges a little bit and put a scarf on it for about 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I am back and everything is nice and smooth. And now it's time to put on my bangs. So we're not doing any glue around here. I am not using any type of glue. So we're going to put our bangs on with pins, and they work just as fine for me. If you want to go ahead and use glue, I probably suggest another video, but we're not using any glue here. So I'm going to take some of this hair, and I think I'm going to do a two-fold. Depending on how thick you want your bangs, you can do more folds. So you can kind of put it on top of your head and see how much hair you want in the bang, if it's thick enough for you or too thin. But I think for me, a two-fold is gonna work using this hair. And if anything, I can just add on another track. So about this is how long I want my bang to be. And so I'm just gonna cut it, and if I need it to get any shorter, the scissors are right here, and I can cut it again. So I'm going to cut it to about this length. Okay, so now the only thing I'm going to do is pin this bang onto my bun. And you want to pin it under the bun so you don't see the tracks from the bang. And for even more security, I like to pin one right in the middle. What I'm going to do now, obviously I can't wear my hair like this, I'm going to go ahead and cut my bangs how I want them. So first, just to get it out of my face, I'm just going to cut it straight across. This is just to get it out of my face for now. So I actually want the sides of my bang to be a little bit longer, so I'm gonna cut that in a diagonal. We're gonna clean all this up, so don't worry too much about it. So once you got this to a point where you can kinda see what's going on through the bangs, you want to cut your bangs at the level where you want them on your face in this style. So right now we're just gonna cut them straight across, but after that we're gonna go ahead and cut them diagonally so that it just doesn't look like a blunt cut in front of our eyes. Okay, so now that I got my bangs about the level that I want them to be, I'm just gonna go in and clean them up and stylize them and not make them too blunt. So like I said, I'm probably going to be cutting the majority of it in a diagonal angle, and then for my sides, I'm just gonna cut it down also in a diagonal angle, like a layered look. So I'm going to do this, and I probably can show you better than I can teach you, so just enjoy this fast forward. Okay, so now I am done frazzling out my bangs. I really just wanted to give a spaz kind of feel to it. So I love this cut. The only thing left that I have to do is apply a little bit of heat to the bangs so they can lay and not look like they're sticking out everywhere, and then I'll be completely complete. This Bobbi Boss hair says that I can apply up to 380 degrees. I have my flat iron right now on 340, so I think that we should be good. Okay guys, and here is our final look. This is our top knot bun with our fringed bangs, and it looks incredible. This is one of my favorite looks to do, and it is so easy and so simple. It will take you all about an hour and you are ready to go. You can wear it casually, you can wear it dressed up, you can wear it throughout the week. You can wear it with the bangs or you can wear it without the bangs, and you will still look oh so lovely. Thanks again for joining me in yet another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, I'll see you then.